According to the provided question, one of the company called Goodluck Limited invested in portfolio with 4 company shares, that is A Limited, B Limited, C Limited and D Limited, with respect to stocks of 60,000, 80,000, 1 lakh and 1 lakh 25,000. Beta value is nothing but undiversible risk of portfolio. Market price is given, so if we multiply number of shares into market price per share, we can calculate amount invested in each stock. If we calculate total, we can calculate total amount invested. Then dividend yield is given. Based on this, we can calculate expected dividend from each of the company, and finally expected rate of return also given. And then they provided current market return and risk-free return rate. With this, we can calculate expected return from each portfolio. Formula for that is risk-free return plus beta value of market rate of return minus risk-free rate of return. They asked us to calculate risk of Goodluck Limited company for short-term investment portfolio, and they also asking us to recommend whether to buy the shares or hold the shares or to sell the shares. So firstly, we have to write security and number of shares and market price. If we multiply number of shares into market price, we will get total amount invested in each stock. If we calculate total, we will get total amount invested in portfolio. Further, if we refer to column 5 of the answer, they divided amount invested in each stock divided by total portfolio. Total invested amount, if we assume like 1, how much amount from 1 is allocated to each stocks? That is what we can see. 0.2329 in stock A, 0.2123 in stock B, 0.1972 in stock C and 0.3567 in stock D. Beta value provided in the question. If you multiply proportion into beta value, we can calculate a total beta of portfolio. That is what the short-term undiversifiable risk of investment. That is answer for question number 1. And secondly, we need to advise whether to buy or hold or sell the shares. So we already know that formula for that, calculation of expected return. For that formula is risk-free return plus beta of return on market minus risk-free return rate. So for security A, 11%, that is risk-free return. For everything it is same. Then secondly, we need to add beta value and we need to multiply that with market return minus risk-free return. So if we see that 11 plus 1.20 into 19 minus 11, that is according to CAMP method 20.60%. Likewise, we need to calculate for BCD. Expected return is also given in the question. We need to compare this. So A is overpriced, as we can see 20.60. B and C also overpriced and C is underpriced. So the stocks which are overpriced, we have to sell it off. Stocks which are not overpriced, which means underpriced, we have to buy. In case if both are matching, like expected return is equal to estimated return, those kind of stock is correctly evaluated, so that we can expect growth according to market value to stock as well. We need to hold those stocks.